In this video, we will be showing you how to install a flipper module onto an HDP5000 card printer. The flipper module has two mounting tabs, while the printer has two slots that they will go into. The side of the flipper module has two L-shaped brackets and a circuit board chip that carries information from the printer into the flipper module. On the printer side, you have the two L-shaped slots and a connector where the circuit board from the flipper module is going to be inserted. As well, if you have any encoders installed in your flipper module, they will need to be plugged into the two USB ports here. Next, place the flipper and the printer side by side and line up the slots and gently push them together. And since we have to secure them with screws, we are going to tip the whole printer over onto its back. With the printer laying down, use a T10 Torx screwdriver and screw in the two mounting screws, which will come with the flipper mechanism, into the two holes that have arrows pointing at them.